Hi and welcome to the channel. Today I have a very quick energy saving tip for you, and the best thing is most probably all the stuff you need you have already in your house. Alright, this is my garage, and as most garages this one is not heated by itself. It just gains the temperature from the neighboring rooms. And we're losing most of the temperature in that room through that very poorly insulated metal gate here. And if we could add another layer of insulation to that, it will save us a lot of energy during the year. And this is what I want to do real quick. Takes 2 to 3 minutes. I just do that quickly. You can watch. Alright, real quick, as you can see, we make this one up here. I see that now. Ooh. So, that's it. That's the whole trick. Now we have another layer of air between the cold surface of the gate and the room. And we do that, I think, since 3 years we do it that way. And average I have 2 to 3 degrees Celsius more in that room than without the blanket. So that is huge because I do not have to heat it with a little electrical heater here. So I save tons of energy, and we do the same with our door to the garden. We do not use it every day, so yeah, it's alright. It's a quick system, and if I need the gate I just remove it and bring it on afterwards again. I hope you can use this little for free trick and save some energy. I hope we see us next time around here. Happy crafting!